Mental health problems are rapidly increasing in young people. I mean, there's some evidence from recent surveys of that going up. Approximately 1 in 4 17 to 19-year-olds, from 1 in 6 over a few years ago.
Almost 1 in 300 people are at risk of developing motor neuron disease over their lifetime. It's 1 in 200 for schizophrenia. About 50 million people worldwide are suffering from dementia, and these numbers are going to triple by mid-century, and we still do not have interventions that can, forget curing, even slow down the course of these disorders.
For us to build a comprehensive picture of disease mechanisms, etiology and progression, we need a multidisciplinary and multifaceted approach in order to bring together imaging markers alongside other markers such as genetic, clinical, fluid biomarkers.
We need very strong research using human patients to realize essentially exactly the conditions and then problems that these patients have. On the other hand, in order to find therapeutics, we need to have a very deep understanding of molecules and the individual neurobiological processes, and that requires a fundamental basic research.
The University of Exeter is leading the way in this research because we have developed a critical mass and a philosophy that involves linking across different methodological approaches.
We have all the way from discovering what's wrong with the disease using cutting-edge models and patient tissue, as well as applying advanced genomic techniques. We also have the means to actually intervene and then even capture the disease early in the stage using advanced medical imaging techniques.
My research uses PET imaging alongside MRI and SPECT, which together are powerful techniques to help us understand disease mechanisms and investigate biomarkers for the early identification of disease and to track disease progression.
We have a world-leading program in epigenetic research, and in this we study the ways in which the genes that define the different cell types of the human central nervous system are expressed. We look at the ways in which those genes are turned on or off, and the ways in which these normal patterns of gene expression go wrong in the context of diseases.
We are really excited to have discovered thousands of RNA molecules across the developing human brain and in young people. And now we're thinking about the implications in neurodevelopmental disorders such as autism and schizophrenia.
We really want to make sure we're making a huge difference in improving mental health, improving interventions, improving preventions. We've done a lot already, but there's a lot more to be done.